Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Task View with Windows Key plus tab. This shows all virtual desktops. Once done, scan the thumbnails at the top to identify which desktops contain open apps you want to close. Make sure to save any files or progress in those apps now. You don't need extra tools. Task View and keyboard shortcuts are enough. If you prefer mouse control, hover and click, but keyboard is faster for multiple closes. You now remove or consolidate desktops. Hover a desktop thumbnail and click the X to close it. Windows will move open app windows to the nearest desktop automatically. Alternatively, drag a window from one desktop to another to keep it, or use Windows Key plus Control plus left/right to switch desktops before acting. Once you move everything you need, close remaining desktops one by one. This approach prevents finish by confirming that each closed desktop left active apps where you expect them, and reopen anything missing. If a stubborn app won't move, close it normally or open Task Manager, Control plus Shift plus ESC, and end the task, then reopen on the desired desktop. If virtual desktops act erratically, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and sign back in to reset session state. These steps clear resource locks and restore normal desktop switching behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.